Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 featured trade idea. The setup and trade plan for Thursday, September 20th, 2018. Today's featured trade idea will be MDXG, MDX group, medical devices. Let's see what we can look at here. Let's go way out to an 8-day chart here. Come on. And there we go. Going way out to an 8-day chart, you can see that we are just now breaking the downtrend. There's probably something in that area. But we've just now broken it. And we've been in an uptrend here for a few weeks, trying to do around the bottom breakup. If we look at again, this is an 8-day chart. We've got a bullish engulfing there, but we'll be looking for several smaller moves in this rounded bottom breakout. You can see the levels that are fairly well defined. This is kind of the breakout level we've just taken out, and should provide some support. We'll probably have some more resistance up here at this level across these highs and these lows and these highs and these lows. So I'm sorry, and this low. So that will probably be a little resistance there, and then on up here across these highs and lows. This is going to be more resistance. And finally, I think we'll get a third target on this one because of where the 200-day moving average is at. This level up here, where it tops out at this high and this little shelf there and those highs, and provided support across here. And as a level of reaction in there, that's probably a good place for us to look for reaction now. Come on, TC. Okay, going back to the daily, we can see that we've been in an uptrend here. You might draw it like this for a couple months, 2.5 months or so. The 50 has now started turning up. We did the breakout into an RBB here, and now we've done a pullback. We seem to have found support, putting in what probably, if you went to a 2-day chart or something, that would look like a Morningstar type of signal. But we had the indecisive trading the dojis here at the bottom of the pullback, and then we've had the last couple days a little bit of follow through, and we took out this this level here and closed above it on Wednesday. So we'll be looking for positive trading for an entry. That first target up here at this high that we had noticed could be some resistance there. That'll be the first target. Second target up here off of these highs and these lows. And again, that third target up there, which will probably be pretty close to the 200 when we get there. Should these lines be along this line of travel or along this line of travel? I don't know. I honestly don't care as long as it's before earnings. So let's see what we can do to plan a trade. We can see that MDXG reported the end of July, so we've got a month. And maybe a week or something. We've got 3 bullish and 3 bearish conditions, so we should be aware of that. The short-term bias of the market is down. The long-term bias of the symbol has not turned bullish yet, and the short-term bias of the symbol is still bearish because of the pullback that we're just now coming out of. No signal, but we do have the rounded bottom breakout and the pullback opportunity working for us. Let's look at an entry. We closed at 550. Just for argument's sake, Let's try 552 with a stop of, well, let's just do 532. Keep it an even number there. And a first target up here about 584. And a second target up here around 640. And a third target up around 720. Again, it says 750 shares. I don't think this is going to plan out, but let's try it anyway. 700 shares is an acceptable percentage of the account. $140 of risk. Let's just say that we sold 200 at that first target. We're only getting 160 to 1. And there's no choices left to us. We either have to say that we can live with a tighter stop, or we've got to pass on the trade. Because I can't see ignoring that potential resistance. So if I move that up to 537, that would get us our 2 to 1, and selling another 200 shares at that second target would get us to 4 to 1, picking up 16% on that second piece, and then the last 300 shares at the longer range target, which we'll be pushing to get into before the end of that month, 5 weeks that we have before earnings. And that would get us up over 7 to 1, making us a 19% trade, $744 of profit. Now, in order to make our trade goal, we only need to make 9%. So we need to make between the first and second target. That price is $6.02. So it's about right there. So just, a third of the way between above the first target towards the second target is what we need to reach in order to sell the entire trade and make our goal. So that will be what we're looking for there. That will be our trade idea for today. Please evaluate this against your view of the market, your trading style, rules, and criteria. If you do decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe below. And we hope to see you in the trading room.